Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to count in Japanese. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. You may do that by clicking the subscribe button below. We make videos like these every week. Let's begin.
ichi, ichi,
1,
ni,
2,
三、
3,
四、
or
四、
4. So we have two ways to say 4 in Japanese.
五、
5,
六、
6,
七、
or
七、
7,
八、
8,
九、
or
九、
9,
十、
10,
十一、
11,
十二、
12,
十三、
13,
十四、
14,
十五、
15,
十六、
16,
十七、
17,
十八、
18,
19、
19,
20、
20,
21、
21,
22、
22,
23、
24, 25. So we can see 20 is nijyuu and go is 5. So 25. Nijyuu go 25. 26. Nijyuu means 20 and roku means 6. Put them together. We get nijyuu roku, which is 26. 27.
28、
28.
29、
29.
30、
30.
31、
31.
40、
40. So what will 41 be? So we have 40 and 1. So we have
41、
41. Yonjyuu, which is 40, and ichi, which is 1. Put them together. Yonjyuu ichi.
50、
50.
52、
52. So gojyuu is 50 and ni is 2. So put them together. Gojyuu ni 52.
60、
60.
63、
Rokujyuu san. So rokujyuu is 60 and san is 3. So put them together. We have rokujyuu san 63.
70、
70.
74、
74.
80、
80.
85、
85.
90、
90.
96、
96.
100、
100. Okay, that's all for today.